Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphologymadesimple, and in this video we are learning about graphotherapy. What is graphotherapy and how does it work? So, graphotherapy is a science of improving someone's personality or your own personality by making changes in handwriting as well as signature. Now, how does it work? Well, it is very simple. Let's say you have someone who don't have that much confidence. You have low confidence level. So, what a graphologist will suggest you in graphotherapy is that they will tell you to increase the size of bar, right, like this, or it is too higher, let's say like this. Okay, so you have increased the bar. Now these are the writers who have high confidence level. If you have seen Einstein's handwriting, it is like this. If you have seen Ratan Tata sir's handwriting or signature, you will find T like this. So these are the writers who have high confidence level. Now you want to become someone who have high confidence, so what you will do is that you will start practicing T like this for 30 days, right? 30 or 21 days, as you adapt this as your permanent part of your handwriting and signature if your signature have letter T. Now what will happen is that your brain will accept these new signals or new type of letter T. Before it had stored that you write T like this. Now it will start storing that you have T like here, right? So it will significantly change and improve your cells, and new cells will be generated and new emotions, feelings will be developed. And because of that your personality will change or improve. So before you were having low confidence level, now you will have high confidence level, right? So it's very simple. When you write something, when you change your handwriting or signature, new cells are developed in your brain, and those new cells, brain controls everything, so those new cells becomes your new personality, right? So it's simple as that. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I believe you learned something new. Graphotherapy is a simple science of improving someone's personality by making changes in handwriting as well as signature. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning.